Hi guys, good morning. It's a Friday and it's a holiday, and I'm taking this time off bringing my kids to their allergologist because they have this monthly immunoshots, both of them. And we missed like mga last week, supposedly due sila last week. So karon midweek, third week na. Supposedly we'll be having like on the first week of the month, and then na-move na po siya na second week. Supposedly karon na third week naman. So I don't know kasi kasabaan niya sa mga kwan, but this is really the first time na medyo go beyond me sa the usual monthly schedule na mo, but we don't know if it will matter ba. So that's why I'm supposed to like go somewhere for to murag na ko ihatod sa one hospital, but then I decided not to because it's a holiday. So sometimes on a holiday we would like not. Okay, by the way, we will be talking about like extra. Yes. So yeah, where was I? So yeah, we will be talking about one lingo that we medical representative use, extra mile. So extra mile. So since holiday, I was talking about my santo presmo mind ba. So let's just talk about what it is. So extra mile, we use this like to do extra effort. So it's like doing or going beyond what is required of you, or going beyond of your job description that could help your sales. So muna siya extra mile, extra effort kumbaga ba. Pag nanguyab nimo ba dapat ng extra effort. By the way, I'm doing my morning routine. Very easy lang, 1-2 steps. So I just wash my face. Naligo naman ko daan gabi. So hindi na ko maligo ron later na kay magduwas ako sa akong iro later. So anyway, I'm using this as my toner. And then after my toner, I'll get my vitamin C. And then I'll sandwich it with this cream from the same brand, Laneige. So anyway, then after that, so I had it already. So I'm gonna do my tone up makeup. It's actually SPF. So where was I again? Practice lang dito ko vlog ba. Okay. Ako lagi na itudo akong vlogging. But anyway, so by the way, you really need to make your hands clean, ha? Like a few minutes ago before I started my touching my face, so I was touching my hair because I like combing my hair. So you really make sure that before you touch your face, after touching your hair, your buhok, kay hugabi ng buhok no, bisag malingon pa naligo pa nabi ani mga oil sumato si mong face. So I usually have my wet wipes with me, alcohol, just in case I touch things and touch na po ko sa face. So man siya, just make sure that your hands are clean before you put your creams or touch your face by applying your creams and everything that you have there. But anyway, so I would usually have that. Wait lang, nasa mundok ko. Hindi mo caution lang ko. I will not be using any so heavy today. Anyway, may trabaho. So again, it's a holiday. So now let's go back to the topic. Extra mile. So that's what we do all the time. Especially if mag-extra call me, like namin na-miss last week. So we'll take extra effort to cover or to go to the hospital or work on a weekend. But karon wala lang ko because holidays, usually the doctors would only, especially if weekend, natumong siya, let's say Friday, some of the doctors, of course, busy sila, no? So they're taking time off, like the long weekend with their families also. So you got less chances nga makakover ka kay mas daghang doktor nga wala. You got better chances if dili holiday but Sabado na kompleto pa na pa na yung mga doktor para pa nag weekend. Mura pa nag regular days, pero holidays, murag holidays sa gyud sila. Pero karon akong among doktor sa kaibigan na araman. Anyway, so ito tong istoryahan. Whereas I again. So putol-putol, no? So extra effort, no? So it's not actually required, but it's our initiative to do it. It's like intrinsic motivation for us to do this and that beyond working hours because we know better our area. We know better our performance. So if you find time that connecting more to your doctors on a weekend, it's more effective than you. It can benefit you. It can not just benefit just you, but if you really want to connect bitaw, sometimes you don't need somebody or your boss's instruction. Ay, pag extra effort dito, kay kuan ka. So, it's up to you. You are the manager of your own territory. So, you do better. But, if you do that, your boss will really appreciate because murag mo sa na intrinsic values bitaw of being a med rep. Dili mag-mind sa time. They just do it without counting. Kuto ba man ko Friday, ano mo extra effort man ko. So, it's up to you. And you know, nobody is forcing you. But then again, if we're giving the company with the right figure that required of us, then okay ra, diba? So again, it's up to you. So, saan naman po akong istorya. So, yeah, after man ako anino, so I'm gonna get my, so by the way, I got this very cute blush on. Actually, dahan ko blush on, guys, ng mga, ako yung mga blush, but this one I got this from Shopee. I got this blush on. Ngaw pag ako nagamit ni siya, no? Na, katupaning ko ako. And then I also have another blush on. Dakan ko blush on actually. I have another blush on. Naikoy cream blush on from Bobbi Brown. This is my favorite before. Before ko, I have my powder blush on. And I have another Gucci blush on. Very cute. So, but mas ganahan ko ani. Anyway, naabot naman ta sa blush on. So, muna siya, no? Tabian ba? So, I just want to talk while doing my tick, 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 tick. So, ako, medre. Dako kay kong area, north to south. Ako na I have my teammates with me nga nag-help. But more on, ko anak ko kanang inclusion, product inclusion bitaw. So, ano na akong work. So, ano to siya guys, mother duty sa taron. So, di ba? So, it's medrep ta, trabaho ta, pero at least I get to spend the weekend with my kids. Muna ka nice lang po. And, what else? And, so, importante po mag-enjoy kasi yung job para it's not like a task bitaw nga heavy task for you. So, like me, I really love being a medical representative, being in a pharma sales. So, I just enjoyed it. So, it's like, I don't really feel the pressure. I mean, not pressure, pero I don't really feel the kanang na-stress gihapon. But what I'm trying to say is I'm up to it ba. So, dapat ma-enjoy ka para you can also enjoy your job and your family. So, it's just like you get to cross the intersection of being a medical representative, your career, and being a mom. So, jago lang ta, and it's really important that you really love your job para mas effective ka sa work. By the way, that's it for today. Bye!